Serikali nigo yarure EIRA yogocha kwenekia chimbwa chingia igati yaborokwa ime CHISUKURU maiga yebikorwa byobasalie byabere bikwenekwa ase CHISUKURU echo murayi wense Dr. William Ruto nigatebire buna serikali terigochikwaga chabira sibyoka na kulika aborokwa kolinde nechi kubwaterana na aborokia elio kwenekia aborokiwa nkoirura bale gose ngorongegwa bale ase chinchira chindonge Mulikito Debora Kirubo mwenesi na robatiore.
Omorai wense William Ruto nigatebire buna serikali nigegenderete kwenekio Gokina gwechisemi gwetere merobelio ao nokolika aborokia nigo igatebire buna chisemi tichikogenda mutu onya boroki gwati bagotwara chimbwa chingia kago kwanekere keme yeskuru yaba muraya burieruri senior school nigarera buna serikali nigebegete nsemo chisiringi chimilioni chimisano na 253 asensemo yechisemi ase budget yo mwaka bwechiri 2025 chiri 2025 nemo.
In recent weeks, our nation has watched with deep concern incidents of unrest in some of our schools, causing anxiety among parents, distress among teachers, and concern across the country. These events should make all of us reflect. They remind us that education is not only about passing examinations, but also about forming character, resolving differences peacefully, and understanding that every action carries consequences.
Omuteneneri w'echisemi Julius Ogamba Migosi nere nigateba buna serikali nechekorosi echiobisi ao echio chirache gotenenera ebikole ebyo byokoborwa chimbwa chingia egati aborokigwa ime y'CHISUKURU nigo boigateba buna aborokia abarayi bechikanisa amone serikali nigo barache kobwaterana elio gosonsora emechande yo.
Made the education a central pillar in your administration in view of the fact that even this year, financial year 2025-2026, we have been allocated as a sector 784 billion to the education sector. This is the highest amount that has ever been allocated to this sector. And it goes to show that your administration is taking education very, very seriously, and we thank you for it. Without you, would not have been where we are. And that money is an investment, because we have seen here today the children of St. Mark's, the president who spoke here. We can see the investment that we are doing in the sector, in that our future is in our learners. And if we do not invest in the future, our future will be affected.
Nero mukonyi w'omurai wense Professor Kithure Kindiki nigabatakira aboroki gukwana na aboroki babo elioko batebya yali bagweterago kyani ebikole ebyo nigo boigatebire serikali nere tayari gotegerera yali aboroki bagwetera na kogikelia chimbwa chimbe ekyo chobosali bw'esukuru.
You have put the highest amount of money in the education budget since independence. That this year you have invested 784 billion shillings of the national budget in education, just to confirm to us that you regard education as a central pillar of our national development.
Asense moyende morayi waborokiwa ase skuru eyo Runi Gitonga nigatebire buna aborokiwa mbale tayari kubwaterana ne serikali na aborokia elio gotwara chimbwa chingia.
Student leader, I deeply admire your resilience, determination, and a remarkable journey from our beginnings to the highest office in Kenya.
Kolibote ligeta senigia nsoko elitalia nende bora mwenesi.
Mwanji muliye kurasa